Hi, lovely family. Welcome to your favorite cooking channel once again. This is Cooking with Abba. Yes, today I'm going to show you one thing I just chanced on by chance. I was just doing an experiment and I really loved it. So I want to share with you. It is Ghanaian omelette like we always do in Kusayache. But this one, the twist is there is potatoes in there. You're getting a full balanced meal in just one egg fry you're doing. Yes, and it's simple like that. So all you need is your eggs, you need your potato, you need onion, and you need some butter or margarine or oil. And one in here. So what I begin by doing is to peel my onion, peel my potato, and then wash it clean. Then I just proceed to grating the potato. You want to grate it as thin as possible so that it doesn't feel chunky in there, and it takes less cooking time, because if it's chunky, eggs don't take long to cook before you realize being so potatoes name being room, then you get like raw potatoes in there. So the great thing to do is to make sure that you grate the potato into very fine coarse to make it easy to finish cooking within the egg 5 minutes. Then I just added in some onions to also help with aromatics and then the taste as well. Then I added just a bit of powdered pepper because I love the peppery kick in there. If you're not a fan of pepper, you can omit that. That is optional. Then you add in your salt and then your eggs go into it. So I did this also because I was dieting as well. So it kind of fills you up and is a healthy meal to go with. So once you're done with that, you just go to your pan, put it on fire, put in your butter, your margarine or your oil, and then you beat it together and then it goes in. And all you'd have to do is to wait for it to firm up. Then you turn it and you make sure that the other side also what cooks. So this is like your fried egg you normally do, just that you're inculcating a bit of healthy carbohydrate like potatoes in there. And so if you are dieting and sometimes you're a bit stuck on what to really eat, this is one thing you could do, you could eat, which fills you up in there. So I ate this with some seafood. So I ate it with the octopus, sea snails, and patois, and then some shrimps. And I really felt good. I was like, wow, let me just share this alongside with my family online as well. So this is one recipe I'd love you to try. It's a quick fix. It's healthy. If you have children who don't like eating much but they love eggs, this is something you can try for them. If you have people who are trying to diet, or it's something you can easily do on your diet, and this is a simple quick fix. This one within like 3 minutes, you're done prepping and then frying and everything. So till I see the next food video, do live life to the fullest, be joyous, be memory. Lots of love for my team and I. Mwah.